I'm certain you are considering pushing through an online business, but you are unsure where to start and what type of business to get into. That's why you are here, and I'm glad you made it to this video. You are in the right place at the right time, as I will be sharing the 5 online business ideas to consider in this 2020. Before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel, like and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new money-making videos. In the past, if you wanted to start a business, you would usually have to spend thousands of dollars a month renting a store or a building, hiring staff members to run it, and purchasing products in bulk to resell before you had sold a single thing. But now, thanks to the internet, we can sell products and make money doing so online 24/7 without having employees thanks to digital storefronts. We can now say goodbye to having to buy products in advance to sell for a profit. However, if you're in a tight spot financially and it would be better for you to start with something free, then there are indeed free ways to get started, which I will talk about in this video. In short, those methods will take longer to get traction, but you know what? Business, it isn't a sprint, it is a marathon. Don't feel like you have to spend any money or put yourself in financial strain to start a business. There are plenty of ways to get started for free. However, if you have some money to invest in starting a business and you'd like some ideas for what you could do, this video is for you. And keep in mind, everybody has their strengths, so you might be listening to this video and being like, oh, business 1, business 2, those aren't for me. But you know what? Business 3 is the one that's calling your name. So keep listening so that you can see all of the ideas on this list. The first online business you can consider in 2020 is search engine optimization services. In the present age, you can do almost everything online, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic breakout, as most businesses are going to transition online. Work from home is the new age norm. It means that an online presence is imperative to any business's existence. And, with growth in competition, the ability to appear organically and relevantly on search engines has become all the more relevant. The solution lies in search engine optimization. Roughly 40% of people click on the first search results, and the first page accounts for around 91% of the search share. So being on top of the results is the priority of different businesses, and this is where you are going to step in. As a search engine optimization specialist, you will be navigating through the search engine world and ensure those right settings are in place to get your client as close as possible to the top results of business websites, Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and similar online entities. Search engine optimization may be complicated, but there are a vast number of tools and materials online that you can use to learn search engine optimization. You just have to dedicate some hours to study, and in no time, you will be an expert in the field. The second idea is, use Amazon to sell copyrighted products. With this business model, you don't have to create your own products. Instead, you can sell already popular, copyrighted, trademarked products. And that's what I'll show you. You can take the money you earn and scale this business up and up so that one day you might even cross the $1 million mark yourself. Most beginner-friendly ways to do this is with something called retail arbitrage. So, here's how it works. What you do is you walk on into a local retail store like Walmart or Target or your local supermarket. You go to stores like that and you look at the items that are selling, especially the products on sale, and you compare their on sale prices to their going price on Amazon. And if you find an item that is priced higher on Amazon, then woohoo, you've got to hit. So what you do is you buy as many of the sweating products as you can and then package it up and then ship it into one of Amazon's FBA fulfillment warehouses. Amazon will store your products for you and you can set your price. Then when a customer comes and orders your product from you on Amazon, Amazon's warehouse staff will find your item stored there. They'll package the item up and ship it out directly to the customer, and it will arrive in one of Amazon's classic boxes. The service is called Amazon FBA, otherwise fulfilled by Amazon. It's a done-for-you service that handles all of the storing, packaging, and shipping of the products. You must have heard about affiliate marketing. That's the third idea. It is a huge space, and the possibilities are limitless. The process involves an affiliate who is you, to earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. You just need to search for products you would want to promote and earn a percentage from the profit of every sale made from the affiliate links you have promoted. For example, an author sells his book, and he wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate websites to promote their products. What you need to do is to sign up to affiliate websites such as Shopify Affiliate Program, Amazon Associates and ShareASale Affiliates to name a few, get the affiliate link, conduct marketing strategies to promote the book, and when someone clicks through the link and buys the book, that would be an automatic income for you. How easy does that sound? Before I continue to share online business ideas, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to see all of my upcoming videos, and don't hesitate to leave a comment to let me know what you think, or what videos you want in the future. The fourth opportunity is a membership model. If you're looking for a stable monthly income, membership programs are the way to go. Whether you're teaching, consulting or selling merchandise, memberships are great ways to establish a consistent community for your service or product. The idea is pretty simple. Let's say you're offering fitness consultant. When a customer visits your site, they get a small taste of what you have to offer. They read a couple of posts, view some testimonials and watch some short videos because you need to prove to potential customers that your content is worth the money. If you did your job, that customer is going to want more. They'll run out of free stuff to look at, so they'll pay a small fee to get a look behind the curtain, and after spending that fee they get access to all kinds of exclusive services like personalized routines, exclusive merchandise and the opportunity to talk and interact with you directly. It is a very sustainable way to make money. Once you set up all the things and provide premium content to customers, they're surely like to buy membership from your site. Lastly would be personal consultation. People will always need someone who could help them depending on their requirements, like financial coaching, fitness training, dietary planning, business management, digital marketing, international sales, and many more. You just have to do a self-assessment of skills you are good at and market them to those businesses and individuals who want to implement the best practices and speed up the results. That brings us to the end of the list, and I hope you have a newfound direction to where you are moving forward with your own online business venture. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you in my next video.